Hello everyone, I'm Amit, a computer science educator from India. On behalf of Spoken Tutorial team of IIT Bombay, I would like to congratulate you all that you have chosen to invest your valuable time for your personal development through this data science course, specifically R programming. And I would like to assure that you have taken a right decision to take up this course. I would like to quote here an important report published by World Economic Forum recently. It was entitled as the Future of Jobs report, and the top 10 skills which are required to be successful in the job market beyond 2020 were listed, were published in this report. And I don't want to tell you about all the skills. I would like to just quote the top 3 skills only. And 3 skills are complex problem solving, the number 1 skills. Number 2 skills is critical thinking, and number 3 is creativity. And when you talk about a programming language, that too a free and open source programming language, then all these skills come into foray. Now, when you talk about complex problem solving, it's there. You got to solve the real life problem through programming. And when you talk about critical thinking as well as creativity and programming, you're all blank. You have to write the code yourself. You have to learn to solve the problems by critical thinking. It's all there. But why it is required? It is required because artificial intelligence, machine learning, as well as your deep learning, they are the future of job market. All the dull, dirty and the dangerous jobs will go to machine. It'll be an industrial revolution you will see beyond 2020. And your data science in particular is the key to it. And our programming is one of the course. And if you have chosen up this course for your personal development, you're on the right track. Various IT giants like Microsoft or Google, they are releasing their all their products. They are releasing their updated versions every year or after an alternate year, whether it comes to Android or whether it comes to Windows. But are we as a human being, as we as an educator or researcher, are we releasing our updated version? We got to ask this question from ourselves, that have we released our latest version, the version 2.0 of late? If not, then it's time to be. This COVID-19 lockdown period is the perfect opportunity for all of us to get updated, to learn new things, new skills which are required for the future job market, and guide our students, also guide our colleagues also in the same direction, so that we may not get obsolete with time. So it's important. And in the end, again, I would like to congratulate again all of you that you are doing the right thing for personal development by taking this data science course. Thank you. All the best.